In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to set up two-factor authentication inside a password vault to make your accounts even more secure. Two-factor authentication is one of the most important steps to protect your sensitive data, and today we'll set it up inside a password vault so you can store your codes securely and access everything in one place. First things first, open up your password vault. I'm using a top-rated software that's extremely secure and reliable for this. If you want to follow along with the exact same software, I've got a special exclusive free trial for you in the description below, just for viewers of this channel. Now, once you're in, head over to the Settings or Security tab. You'll typically see an option for enabling two-factor authentication or 2FA. Click on that and you'll be prompted to either use an app like Google Authenticator, Authy, or a similar service, or to receive a code through your phone number or email. For this tutorial, let's go with the most secure method, using an authentication app. You'll want to install one of these apps on your phone if you don't already have it. Once you've installed it, open it up and look for the option to scan a QR code. Now, back in your password vault, you'll see a QR code on the screen. Open your Authenticator app and scan that QR code. The app will then generate a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Take the code from your Authenticator app and enter it into the password vault on the screen. After entering the code, your two-factor authentication will be set up. From now on, whenever you log into your vault or any linked services, you'll need both your password and the code from your Authenticator app, adding an extra layer of security. Now, one thing to keep in mind is to securely back up your 2FA recovery codes. The software will give you a set of backup codes in case you lose access to your Authenticator app. Be sure to store these in a secure place, ideally not in your password vault, since you'll need them to recover your access if anything goes wrong. Before we wrap up, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial link in the description below if you want to use this software for yourself. It's a great opportunity to follow along and get all the benefits of a secure password vault with two-factor authentication. So, to summarize, you've learned how to enable two-factor authentication inside a password vault. First, go to your security settings, then link it to an Authenticator app. Once that's done, back up your recovery code securely. Two-factor authentication is an easy and effective way to protect your sensitive accounts. Key takeaway: two-factor authentication is an essential step to securing your online data, and setting it up inside a password vault is the best way to keep everything in one safe, easy-to-access place. Make sure to grab that exclusive free trial in the description if you want to follow along with the software we used today. Thanks for watching and stay secure.